Hi, my name is Varun Prabhakar. I represent Raj Petro as a business development manager. We at Raj Petro cater to the marine industry as well as heavy industries, including construction, auto OEM, steel, textile, pharma, personal care, agriculture, metalworking, rubber, power sector. We are one of the largest importers of base oil in India, and through this route we have joined in the IMW Week 2025, and we showcase some of our products which are niche products as well as meant for the industry applications, rather severe applications. So I'll just take the opportunity to highlight some of our products, which is engine oils, future ready engine oils, which are meant for high and long life. There are heavy commercial vehicles, trucks, and which is part of the shipping industry as a logistics serving. We are there for the container trucks, forklifts, cranes, ship manufacturing, all kind of lubricant requirements we can cater, including specialty requirements of wire ropes, some of the very specialized niche requirements of greases we can take care. And in terms of Raj journey, we have come a long way. So I'll just take the opportunity to walk you through our journey. We started in 1942 as a entity which was into trading, and later we transformed into manufacturing entity and recognized by DSIR, which is a government body which recognizes for R&D, and we have developed multiple product lines. These are specialty products in terms of lubricants and other greases specialities. So we work with the industry hand in hand and very closely, and very recently we have been taken over by the Shell Group in 2025.
Right, sir. So if you talk about this expo, what are the basic expectations of an exhibitor to participate in these exhibitions?
Yeah, so from the expectation sides, we expect both ways. We expect some of our customers to visit us, some of our partners who are our logistics and maybe channel partners to visit us. And in terms of exposure, yes, this is a national as well as global level platform. So we would like to showcase our offerings and our partnerships, wherever we can scale up things and make business more profitable.